That was because Rails. That's what you guys get. That Pepsi. Gross. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Endertau, you'll get the exclusive. I love Pepsi. It makes me a... Felix and Phoenix, like, that's a cool boy name. Excuse me. Like blue pansies, but I think those just happen. I'm driving right now. I get the air dislodged. The liquids staying where they should be. I was gonna hold it. I'm sorry. Guys, this is hype. This is... That's my hair. Yeah, I'm a very scared... Plum, this is also for you. Excuse me. Chemistry, and I did baking. I'm so glad Side Dude subscribed. What secrets you sell? Imagine if I changed my username. Excuse me. It's gonna be ready soon. Excuse me. I do have a D. Oh, that was the surprise. It was terrifying. Did you guys like the click clacks in your face? Yeah, Drew, you've got to stay around. Precious, I appreciate you so much. Yeah. Hell yeah. Excuse me. And then, yeah, so... Excuse me? No, be good. I can't try it. We could maybe... if someone... Veer Lecter? Excuse me. I did a pop tier list though. Legit, so bloody awesome. And someone messaged me, but I'm not looking. Off ponytail moment. Thank you guys for the level 1 hype train. Excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna. I would love to do a Raven cosplay. I think I would do her justice. Yes, you are. Okay, cool. DM.